Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Learning Series. In first lecture, we have discussed what is computer, need of computer. Now today we are going to discuss components of computer system and block diagram of computer system in detail. So let's start our today's session. So our first topic is component of computer system. Now what is component? Component is nothing but parts. Now think of computer like human body. The human body has different parts. Okay? जैसे ह्यूमन बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं, सिमिलरली वैसे ही कंप्यूटर के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं एंड दैट पार्ट इज़ नथिंग बट कंपोनेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. So what are the different components of computer system? Input device, output device, CPU and storage device. As you can see in the diagram, there are different components of computer system. अगर हमारे ह्यूमन बॉडी का एक भी पार्ट्स प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करेगा तो हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी भी प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं करेगी. सिमिलरली वैसे ही कंप्यूटर का इफ़ एक भी कंपोनेंट प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करता है तो तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर भी प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करेगा. इफ़ देयर इज़ नो इनपुट डिवाइस, अगर आपके पास कोई भी इनपुट डिवाइस नहीं है लाइक माउस नहीं है या कीबोर्ड नहीं है तो आप प्रॉपरली कंप्यूटर पे वर्क नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो अगर कंप्यूटर को प्रॉपरली वर्क करना है तो कंप्यूटर को क्या मस्ट है? कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ओके, सो ये तो हो गए कंपोनेंट. अब नेक्स्ट देखते हैं हम ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. अब ब्लॉक डायग्राम मतलब क्या? डायग्राम मीन्स तो हम सबको पता है, बट ब्लॉक डायग्राम क्यों बोलते हैं इसको? सो ब्लॉक डायग्राम इज नथिंग बट अ सिंपल ड्राइंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम दैट शोज डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ सिस्टम. जो भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है कंप्यूटर के वो शो करने के लिए हम जो भी बॉक्स और एरो का यूज़ करते हैं, दैट बॉक्स एंड एरो इज़ नथिंग बट ब्लॉक. दैट्स वाई वी कॉल्ड इट एज ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. Now see what are the different parts you can see in the block diagram of computer system. First there is input device which accept the information or data from the user. Next you can see the CPU, that is central processing unit, which is called the brain of computer system, which had sub parts ALU, control unit and registers. Next part is memory unit which is used to store the data, and then next and the last part is output device which is generally used to show the result. Okay, so now we will see each and every part of this computer system one by one. So first we will start with input and output device of computer system. So as we know, what is the work of input device? Input device is generally used to take the information from user and send it to computer system. So what are the different input device you can see? There is a keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner. These are the different input device. Just like in the human body, ears and eyes are used to receive the information from the outside world. We use our ears and eyes to receive the information, to get the information from outside the world. So ear and eyes are nothing but input device for the human body. Now there is CPU in between input device and output device. So what is the work of CPU? CPU receives the information from different input devices. It may be keyboard, it may be mouse, it may be microphone or scanner. After receiving information from different input devices, it processes that information, and after processing the information, it sends that processed information to particular output devices. Next is output device. What is the work of output device? It generally used to show the result to the user. What are the different output device you can see? There is a monitor, printer, speaker and headphone. Suppose someone asks you what is the result of 5 plus 3? So you speak from your mouth, the result is 8. So your mouth works like output device. Let's see a quick difference between input device and output device. Imagine computer as person. To give the information, you speak or write, and to get the information from that person, they speak, write or show something. So same happen with computer. Input device is hardware device used to enter the data or instruction into the computer system, and output device is hardware device that shows result produced by the computer. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner. On the other hand, output devices are monitor, printer, headphones. These are the output devices. And input devices are generally used before the processing of data, and output devices are generally used after the processing of data to show the result. And input device generally work with input signals, and output device generally works with output signals. इनपुट सिग्नल्स इज़ नथिंग बट जहाँ से यूज़र इनपुट एंटर कर रहा है वो क्या हो गए आपके इनपुट सिग्नल्स, मीन्स कीबोर्ड और माउस. एंड आउटपुट सिग्नल्स मीन्स जहाँ पे आपको आउटपुट मिल रहा है, जहाँ पे आउटपुट शो हो रहा है वो आपके क्या हो गए आउटपुट सिग्नल्स, लाइक मॉनिटर एंड स्पीकर. So that's all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss central processing unit, that is next part of computer system in detail. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.